here. RC Industry Channel. What is RC Industry Channel? Well, first of all, I'd like to say that RC Industry is a company that my wife and I own and have for many years. We have rental property. We buy houses that no one else will buy, and we fix them up and sell them. I'm also a state licensed home inspector. And what else do we do? I do bank inspections, home inspections, commercial property. A lot of the videos on here, or most of the videos on this channel, will be projects that I'm doing, whether it's at home or on one of the rental properties, or if it's one of our houses we're fixing up to sell. I don't typically call our remodeling of houses that we do flipping houses. That's kind of a HGTV kind of a reality show kind of thing. It's just our life. That's what we do. The wife and I have been married almost 25 years, and every house we've ever lived in, we've fixed it up, sold it, and moved to a bigger house or a better house, and that's just what we've always done. The house we're in currently, I'm hoping that that's the one we're going to stay in. But there'll be videos from fixing it up from time to time. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the channel. I'm very opinionated. I do not like politicians, and I do not like politics. So you can probably just about figure who I support and who I do not support. I do vote. I'm a veteran of the United States Air Force. And again, like I said, I can be very opinionated. I think there are rules and regulations in our country for reasons. Simple things like stopping at stop signs can have a real impact on the lives of all of us living in this country. I like this country. For those of you who do not, I wished you would just move out. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoy the videos on this channel, and you can always email me with any kind of questions or suggestions. The email is rcindustry@gmail.com. Since YouTube doesn't have the messaging system anymore, you can just email me. I hope that everyone shares and likes this channel. I've got several channels that I follow. I like Cold War Motors, those guys from up in Canada. I like Jonathan W. down in North Carolina. So you can look at all the ones that I follow and watch on my favorites. So anyway, with that being said, Spot's sitting up here on the dash as he always does, and he's nodding at us right now. So I will tell you more later. Bye. Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.